Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Choose a focused plan and limit scope to a manageable period, for example, a 50-year span or a single war or movement. Decide learning goals, timelines, key figures, causes and consequences, and historiography. Block study into 25-minute focus sessions with 5-minute breaks to preserve attention, and schedule 3 sessions per topic across a week. Gather 3 types of sources for each topic: a clear textbook summary, at least one primary document, and a scholarly article to compare interpretations and nuance. Use active study methods to deepen understanding. Create a 1-page timeline with dates, key events, and 3 to 5 causal links so you can visualize sequences and contingencies. Practice active recall by writing answers to specific questions from memory at the start and end of each 25-minute session. Annotate primary sources directly with marginal notes, then summarize each source in one typed paragraph to capture argument, perspective, and provenance for fast review later. Reinforce learning with planned review and assessment. Apply spaced review at 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month intervals to shift facts into long-term memory and revisit timelines each time. Self-test by writing short essays or timed outlines and score them for content and coherence, aiming for around 80% of key argument points covered. After each practice test, refine notes by condensing content to a 1-paragraph thesis and 3 supporting facts to create a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.